Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change superstars entrance in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go to options and select the option roster. Select edit superstars. Now choose the superstars whose entrance you would like to change. In my case, that's Brock Lesnar. Now once you select the player, you need to scroll and you're gonna see the option for entrance just right here. Select entrance, select yes, and just save this first, and you will see the template, motion, time motion, all these things can be editable from here. So firstly, let's say you want Brock Lesnar on entrance of John Cena, like you want John Cena entrance for Brock Lesnar. In that case, you can just first select the template option and just select John Cena over here. Okay, this is John Cena, so I can just select that, and now you can see this is the entrance of John Cena, but we are getting it on Brock Lesnar. So that way we'll get everything like motion, light shows, screen effect, music, everything is similar to John Cena. I want motion of, let's say, Undertaker. I can just go and choose Undertaker over here. Okay, this is Undertaker, so I can just select that, and now we'll get the motion of Undertaker. You can change the music to someone like maybe Omos. Now we have motion of Undertaker, music of Omos, and template of John Cena. So these are some changes you can make on your entrance, and once you're satisfied, just select accept at the bottom, select yes, and that way the entrance of your superstar will change. Now let's say you wanna reset it again, get back to it, press the button to reset, which is right stick in PlayStation and Xbox. The key could be different if you're playing on PC, but we just need to press that key, and that way we'll get this kind of pop-up. Here we need to select this option, reset to default settings, and now we have everything back to default. So yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to change entrance of superstars in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.